Let me ask you a question. When was the last time you actually did a body checkup, like a full body checkup? When was the last time you did that? Not because you were sick or not because you had malaria, but you just ordinarily went to do a full body checkup just to know how your body is doing. For many people in their 20s and 30s, the answer is never. We assume we are young, strong, and assume that nothing serious can happen to us. But in reality, many serious health conditions start to develop silently in our 20s that we don't even know about, that we are not even aware of. High blood pressure, cervical cancer, hormonal imbalance, fertility issues. Many people only discover all of this when it's already advanced. Today at Health Talk with Mona, I'm going to walk you through the important health checkups you shouldn't skip in your 20s and 30s. And trust me, with this information, you might just book your next hospital visit. First, let's talk about something very important. Many people only go to the hospital when they are already sick. Yeah, but preventive healthcare is one of the smartest things you can do for your body. A simple test today can detect a condition before it becomes dangerous. Think about it this way. Your phone needs updates, your car needs servicing, but your body, that's one thing keeping you alive. Many people never check it. Number one checkup you should never skip is blood pressure. High blood pressure is a silent killer because most people feel completely normal while it's damaging their body. Over time, it can lead to stroke, kidney damage, heart failure, and so on. The scary part is that many young adults already have high blood pressure without even knowing. Checking your blood pressure will take nothing less than 2 minutes, but it will eventually save your life. Next one is blood sugar tests. Diabetes is no longer a condition for older people. Today, many people in their 20s and 30s are developing it either because of their diet, lack of exercise, stress, and family history. Early diabetes may not show obvious symptoms, but a simple blood test can detect it very early. That's why you should go for your blood test. It's very important. Before we continue, if you've learned something new already from this video, tap the like button and subscribe so more people will see this video. Let's get to the next one. For women, one checkup you should never ignore or skip is the cervical screening. Cervical cancer is one of the most preventable cancer when detected very early. Tests like pap smear, HPV screening can detect abnormal cells before they turn into cancer. Many women avoid these tests because they feel embarrassed or scared. But the truth is, early detection will save your life. Another important checkup is the STI screening. Many sexually transmitted infections like chlamydia, gonorrhea, HIV can exist in the body without obvious symptoms. Some people live with them for years without knowing. That's why regular tests protect you and your partner. So go check yourself. The next one is cholesterol tests. High cholesterol can increase the risk of heart disease and stroke. Many people have this even without having the symptom. Yes, many people have all of this and they don't have the symptom. If you have a family history of heart disease, this test becomes even more important. Please go check yourself. Please. For women, regular breast check are very important. This includes self-breast examination and clinical breast examination. Detecting breast change early can make a huge difference in the treatment outcome. Yes. So check yourself. Either self-breast examination, clinical breast examination. This might surprise some people, but dental checkup is also part of your health routine. Yeah, your oral health is connected to your overall health. Ignoring dental problems can lead to infections that can affect other parts of your body. Next one is the eye examination. Many people spend their time, hours on their phone and laptops. But let me ask you something. When last did you go and check your eyes? When last did you do that? Regular eye exams can detect issues like vision problem, eye strain, and early signs of other health conditions. Another test many people ignore is checking the thyroid. Yes, many people ignore this one. Your thyroid controls things like energy level, your metabolism, your weight, your menstrual cycle. Yes, when it's not working properly, people begin to experience unexplained weight gain, hair loss, irregular periods, fatigue. But many people don't realize this is a thyroid issue. People don't realize it's a thyroid issue when you begin to experience all of this. And finally, something we can talk about enough. Your mental health is as important as your physical health. Yes, your mental health is as important as your physical health. Stress, burnout, anxiety are very common in our 20s and 30s. So taking time to check in your mental health is also a form of healthcare. So you should make sure you take care of your mental health. Anything that stresses you, anything that burns you out, you should run away from it. So if you're in your 20s and 30s, don't wait until something feels wrong before you check your mental health. Don't wait. Prevention is always better than cure. Your future self will thank you for taking care of your body. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who needs to hear this. And don't forget to subscribe to Health Talk with Muna for conversations about health, wellness, and living better. Thank you.